Aiman. Today is February 7th, 2013, which is also known as the day before the snowstorm, which might be in the top 10 snowstorms in New England history. Everywhere I go, everybody is talking about the upcoming snowstorm and the potential blizzard that's coming tomorrow. Even at school, everybody was talking about it. At the supermarkets like Walmart and Aldi's, there are lines that are very long. People are stocking up on food and milk and other things for the upcoming snowstorm. Places like Home Depot and Lowe's, people are rushing to get salts and shovels. The reason for this is because in this winter, we haven't had a lot of snow. As you can see, there's no snow on the ground, and it is almost the end of winter. So it would make sense that Mother Nature would wanted to catch up. Meteorologists and weathermen are saying that Massachusetts will receive 2 feet of snow, but New York City may only get 4 to 6 inches of snow. We are between New York and Boston, so we may only receive a foot of snow. But my mom says that we might get 2 feet of snow. By the way, the snowstorm's name are Charlotte and Nemo. The reason they have 2 names is because those 2 storms are going to collide together and make a big, powerful storm. I hope the weatherman and the meteorologists are exaggerating about the snow because they said it would be in the top 10 in history. Well, it would be good for me because there would be no school. Most people don't like snow on weekends, but I am excited about this snow because I haven't seen much of snow. If you look at the clouds, it looks like the storm is already brewing. My mom has done her shopping and my dad is checking his snowblower, which he hasn't used in this winter yet. You can see how dusty it is and how there's no air in the tire. I'm going to see if it has gas in it. It looks like there's some gas in there, but there's not enough. So my dad's gonna put more. I'm going to see if it has oil. Yep, it has oil. When your snowblower gets jammed, never put your hand inside like this. Your hands might get chopped off. My dad told me about this one mechanical engineer that got his hand chopped off. And he was a mechanical engineer. I'm going to pump air in this tire using this little device. First, I'm going to unscrew this cap off. I'm going to put this in. And then I'm going to lock it. It has to be really strong. And I locked it. Then I'm going to turn it on. You can see the maximum pressure of this is 24 psi. So when this reaches 24 psi, that's how you pump the air in this tire. Finally, I'm going to unplug the thing, I'm going to lock it, then unplug it, and then I am going to put the cap on. Before the snowstorm comes, you should pick up all the debris on your yard, like this ball, for example. Like stools. Especially pick up the sharp things like this, for example. And you should also get the things that you might step on and honk you on the head. Like this hoe, for example. If you step on it, it could hit you in the head. Let me show you. That was a dangerous demonstration. Kids, don't try this at home. I was being stubborn. One thing I forgot to mention earlier is that you should have useful things near your door, like ice melting stuff and shovels. So this is why we don't have to walk to the snow to get them. Make sure you have the curb brush outside of the curb, so you don't have to brush off the curb to get it from inside. Also, make sure that you have boots by your door, like this, so you can get through the snow easily if it's steep. If you have a front gate like we do, in case of the big storm, you should keep the door open, but it's just for the storm, not always. The reason for this is because you want to get to the garage to turn on your snowblower. As you can see, my dad and I have cleaned the backyard so that me and my siblings can play in the snow and build stuff like slides. If you have a fireplace like we do, you keep enough fire logs around so that you don't have to dig through the snow to find the buried fire logs. While you're waiting for the storm to pass by, you, your brother, your sister, or your parents can roast marshmallows. Be sure not to use the man-made fire logs right here because it's not safe for food. And you should always use the natural wood, like this. If you have a pet, like a cat, like this, then be sure to keep those pets inside because they don't get buried under the snow. The snow will probably fall down in the morning at 3 o'clock a.m. So I'm going to stay up and watch the snow fall. I might have no school tomorrow, so I could make other videos and do other stuff while we're having vacation. I might do another video about this snow. Please check back after tomorrow to see the video. Hi, I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Please watch the other videos. Thank you.